Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. So to do this is pretty simple. So you're really allowed to create a Gmail without a phone number. It's possible. So just enter your name. So let's just place here uh, nameless, nameless sample. So just place nameless for now. And then here, just place your birth date. So just go January 1st, 2000, gender. And then from there, you will have to create your own Gmail address. So let's just choose, let's create our own nameless sample. So let's just go nameless 420, nameless420 at gmail.com. So it's taken right now. So let's just add some random characters for 200, something like this. For 2000. Oh my, it's still taken. So for 2001, so there, create a password. So let's just go sample this. So right here, and then here you will have the phone number. So you can create a virtual phone number that you don't want to be routed. So just go to Google and then place random phone number, and then it will generate one for you with where it can send you the OTP to, so that from there you'll be able to confirm that you're not a bot. So there you go guys, that is how you create a Gmail account without a number, and there you go. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.